Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining how to use one of Excel's most powerful and popular functions, VLOOKUP. This function allows you to search and retrieve data from Excel tables. It's super handy for comparing lists, doing lookups, and more. So let's jump in. Okay, so for VLOOKUP, you'll see we've got one table here that's got a list of all the information for these three people. Then we've got another area where we've got the three people's names, but we don't have any data for them. We want to use VLOOKUP to find that data. So this is what we're going to do. So for John Doe, we want to get his email. So we're going to say equals VLOOKUP, and then the open left parentheses there. And now the first thing we're going to choose is the information that we're looking up. So for this, we want to look up John Doe. We want to look up his name. So we can either type in his name manually, and then this formula is only going to be for John Doe. Or we can choose the cell where that information is. So we'll click the cell here in A11. So we're looking up John Doe. So if we change that information in A11, it's going to look up whatever is in A11. So we'll use a comma. Now it wants to know the table array. So where is it looking for this information? So the table array is going to be this table up here, and we'll just select the whole thing and we'll get the headers too. So that's our table array. And then we'll do comma, and now it wants to know the column index number. So it's asking you what column is the information that you want to return in. So we've got three columns in this table, but we want the email here. So we know that we want column 2. So we put in column 2, and then we hit comma. And now it wants true or false. So we're going to say false, and false is going to return an exact match. So it's not going to return anything other than exactly what we told it to look for. And then we close it with the end parentheses, and we hit enter. And now it has found jdoe@email.com, which is John Doe's email.
Oh, really?
And you can do that with anything. And like I said too, we can change that. So if we put Bob Wilson here, it's going to look for Bob Wilson, and you'll see it returns his email. So we'll put John Doe back here. And we can do that for phone number. So I'll show you how to do it for phone number. It'll be the same process. Equals VLOOKUP, open parentheses, and then your lookup value, we're looking for John Doe, comma, and we want to specify the table that we're looking for the information in. So we've got the table here, comma, then the column index number. So this time the phone number is in the third column. So we'll say 3, comma, and then we'll put in false because we want an exact match. And then we close it and hit enter. And now we've got the phone number for John Doe. And then you can take this and you can copy it down, and it'll do the same thing for each one. So we do it again, copy it down. There you go. That's how you use the VLOOKUP.
Oh, brother.
It's a super helpful function. You can use it to create lookups, search tables, compare lists, and so much more. So try it out next time you need to find data and let me know how it goes. Alright, this has been See Then Do Excel. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe, and then click that notification button to be alerted when I release new videos in the future. See you next time.